In this video, I'll show you how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your GoDaddy account. Then you need to click your profile in the top right corner and go to your products page. Then you need to click domains in the left menu, and right here you will see your domain names. You need to choose which domain you want to put on sale. And when you open your domain manager, right here we'll see this button list for sale. You need to click on this and then click get started. Right here, you need to set the buy now price for your domain, for example, 1000, and then click publish listing. So as you can see, your listing is almost ready. You need to click on list my domains. So we automatically create your new Afternic account when you list your domain. So you just need to click this button, list my domains, and your GoDaddy domain will be listed for sale. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.